want to go?
I want to go to Disneyland.
Disneyland?
I want to go to Disney.
Who do you want to see at
I
Disney?
want to go see Mickey Mouse.
What about Donald Duck?
I don't like Donald.
Do you like Minnie Mouse?
What?
Do you like Minnie Mouse?
I like Minnie Mouse.
Goofy?
Goofy's funny.
Do you like the princesses?
No, I don't like princesses. I like Honey. I like the place from Honey. And I play all of it. They say on the next Girls Getting Jealous. I want to go to Disney.
I might be able to take you sometime.
I want to go to Disney.
I can't take you today. Do you got your bag packed to go?
Yeah, I have my clothes and a sweater. I have a journal to write in. It's right here.
Still got our airplane tickets though.
Oh, I can buy them. I have lots of money.
Do you have enough money?
I won the lottery last week.
Did you? You didn't tell us about it?
I forgot. It was a surprise.
Surprise.